Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Mandy. I do nail tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute little horsey design on this nail. I hope everyone had a great Christmas. Now let's get into it. Want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the fire in your darkest night. I could be your curse or your angel. Okay, first we're gonna start with the makartt base coat. If you're doing regular nails, of course you want to dehydrate and prime the nail. After you put the base coat on, you go ahead and you cure that for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the color Mocha by Makartt on the nail and go ahead and cover it completely. I use rubbing alcohol as the slip solution. I'm not too worried about getting it extremely perfect since this is just practice. After I get the polygel shaped the way that I want it on the nail, I go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds and clean it off. And take my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file and go ahead and sharpen up the lines, get the shape right, go around over the top of it, and then I go ahead and buff it. And after that, I want to put a matte top coat by Makartt on and cure that for 30 seconds. And then before I do any painting, I take a pencil and I stencil out the picture that I'm going to be painting. When I'm done sketching it out, which it doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be covering it anyways, I take my acrylic paints and I have a little dish of water. I got these paints off of Amazon, but you want to get quite a bit of water mixed with the colors because the colors are very pigmented. You don't have to start out with the white. I kind of did it backwards, but I was just practicing because I'm not really experienced with painting. I was just trying something new, but this is how I did it. And I apologize. There's lots of parts of this video that I'm out of shot, but tomorrow I'm going to be doing a set of nails on somebody similar to this, but it's going to be a whole set. And I'm going to try to record the whole thing and make sure that I'm in frame, hopefully. Fingers crossed. But I'll go ahead and post that for you guys as well. Right now I'm outlining the horse's face and features with the dark brown, and then I mixed some brown and white together and just covered the inside of that. I find that when I mix all these different brown colors, it gives it more texture. I start out with the lighter color brown, and then I go ahead and mix a little more of the dark brown, and then I cover all that as well. I think I kind of made it a little more complicated than it needed to be, but this is how I did it. After that, I will go in with the Profile Backstage frosting gel paint, which I absolutely love. You don't hardly need any of it. I used the black to outline, and then I took the white to do the mane. I started with that first, and then I used the black. I'll just let you watch the rest. I want to remind you guys, after you use the gel paints, you need to cure that for 30 to 60 seconds in the lamp. After I do my design, I top it off with the makartt matte top coat and cure that for 60 seconds in the lamp. Please like and subscribe to Mandy's Nails, and I'll see you in the next video.